You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Hungarian name once and for all correctly. I've seen there are other videos out there on YouTube that are not correct. In English it's often pronounced as Nagy, but in Hungarian it's pronounced Nag. Nag. How to pronounce Hungarian? Nag. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.